Physical fitness is the ability to perform daily activities with ease. It includes cardiorespiratory fitness, muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility, and balance. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how to build cardiorespiratory fitness. Cardiorespiratory fitness refers to the ability of the heart and lungs to deliver oxygen to the muscles during sustained physical activity. When we exercise, our muscles need oxygen to produce energy. The harder we work, the more oxygen is required. When the demand outpaces what the heart and lungs can deliver, fatigue sets in. By training our cardiorespiratory system, we develop the endurance to stay active for longer periods. Why does this matter? Having muscular strength or flexibility alone is not enough. Without cardiorespiratory fitness, you may tire quickly. Improving this type of fitness not only makes daily tasks easier, but also enhances well-being and lowers the risk of heart disease. The most effective way to improve cardiorespiratory fitness is through aerobic exercise, activities that deliberately raise your heart and breathing rates. To maximize benefit, exercise should elevate your heart rate into the target heart rate zone and keep it there for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Your target heart rate zone is usually 65 to 90% of your age predicted maximum heart rate. The simplest way to estimate your maximum heart rate is 220 minus your age, though a more accurate formula is 208 minus 0.7 times your age. Beginners should start at the lower end of this range. Healthy adults are advised to accumulate at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity per week. For example, brisk walking, or 75 minutes of vigorous activity like running or cycling. As your fitness improves, your resting heart rate often decreases, which you can track each morning. Regular physical activity has wide-ranging benefits. It strengthens the heart and lungs. It boosts your mood and helps reduce the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, and even helps lower the risk of some cancers. If you're on certain medications such as beta blockers, or if you have a chronic illness, these formulas may not apply to you, and you should consult your doctor before beginning an exercise program. Medical clearance is also recommended for men over the age of 40 and for women over 50 and anyone with significant health concerns. So let's get moving, raise our heart rates, and reap the rewards of better health and endurance. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and share the video. You can support this channel by subscribing. Until the next video, stay healthy and stay safe.